Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Okay, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix an operating system was not found. So in this video we're gonna be changing the boot orders and we will see if our computer turned on or not. So what you have to do is we have to press the F10 on our HP computer. If you have any other CPU like Asus, Dell or something else, you can search online about their boot menu, boot order. And in HP computer I have the F10 key, so keep pressing the F10 key when system is turning on. And then we have to go to the storage device configuration. Now you can see that we have two drives right here, 180 gigabytes and 160 gigabytes of Toshiba hard drive. This one is SSD, this one is hard drive. So now we have to go to the boot orders in case if you're getting the error, which is the your operating disk was not found. So we're gonna go to the boot order, and now you can see that we have selected this hard drive as a boot order, and we have to simply change this to something like if you can change this, enter in F10 and then you can press down and press up. Okay, so now we have the USB floppy CD legacy boot source selected. To change the boot orders you can press enter on the hard drive, on the SATA one. Now press this and just move down or up like you want to boot from the SATA one right here. So I will select this and press F10. So now we're gonna go to File, Save Changes and click on Yes. Now our system will be turned on as we have changed the boot orders. If you're getting the errors like an operating system was not found, you can simply press the F1. Yes, our computer is booted up now. Now if you change to something wrong, just try to revert the settings back and watch out for your system to be turned on. It will work. I hope you like this video. Please sub to the channel and press the notification bell.